Okay, I'm at this card shop and I'm gonna buy some packs. Okay, so I'm gonna go shopping for some packs and then we're gonna go home and open the packs. Well, I'm gonna go buy the packs.
Museum? I don't know what it is.
Okay guys, I've gotten back from the store and I got these packs. They are called NBA trading cards. It's called Mosaic, I think is the brand. And yeah, but it's insane how much these things cost. Like a box, you won't believe it. Because of Zion Williamson and Ja Morant, they're $750. That is crazy. But yeah, I cannot wait to open these. Oh, and here are the packs. They have Zion Williamson on the front, and it comes with a bonus pack, and there's 15 cards inside is what it says. So these are Panini Mosaics. So I'm gonna start opening these. I guess that's the right way to say it. I was just informed. Okay, I got it open. You guys should know by now I love basketball. So I like playing it, I like playing video games about it, and this is my first time opening packs, so I'm very excited. Whoa, this is so cool. Here, can I have the scissors to open these? Okay guys, we got it open, let's open it. Okay, I'm opening it. I see the Atlanta jersey. Bruno Fernando. I have no idea who this is, but it says he made history in 2009 when when the Bruising Center became to be selected in the NBA draft. I have no idea who this guy is. If you guys know who this guy is, comment down below. Okay, let's move him out of the way. Is there someone underneath him? No. De'Aaron Fox. I know who this is. He is really good. He plays on the Sacramento Kings, and he's super fast. And that's who he is. Let's set him down with Bruno Fernando. Karl Anthony Towns. Here he is. He's one of my grandpa's favorite basketball players. He plays on the Minnesota Timberwolves, and his nickname is Cat. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, I got Kemba Walker. I like him. He plays in the Celtics. He used to play in the Hornets. He is a very good team player, and he just played yesterday and knocked out the Raptors out of the playoffs. So he's definitely someone good to have in the collection. Ben Simmons. I love Ben Simmons. The nickname I gave him is Benny Boy. I love Ben Simmons. This one's definitely my favorite one I've got so far. I'm just gonna set that one down. Jeremy Grant. He plays with the Nuggets. I love the Nuggets, so I know who he is. He's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. He's a good finisher and shooter and has good defense. So I'm excited about this one. Okay, 6 cards. Let's open this one. Dad, may I have your assistance? Okay, let's open and see who I get. Darius Garland, I think. I see Garland. Yep, called it. Darius Garland. I've heard the name, but I haven't actually seen him play. Here, let's take him out. Here he is. Darius Garland. I've never seen him play, though. I don't know how to really describe him. I think he's a role player. I don't know who he is. Nicholas Claxton. I've heard of this guy, but I haven't really seen him play either. But What position does he play? Hold on, does it say? I think he's a small forward. I don't know, but anyways, he's going right there. Markel Fultz. Oh, wrong way. Markel Fultz. I have actually seen him play. I was watching one of his games, and he's pretty good. I feel like he's also played on the Sixers before, but not positive. So he's going to be set down. Home safe. Pascal Siakam. He's really good. He's a good team player. He's tall. He's a center. He can hit threes. He's a really good Raptor. Russell Westbrook. I like Russell Westbrook, but his clothing style is not that great. Like, you see him, he'll probably have like a fish tank on his head with an army vest or something. But anyways, he's pretty good. Bobby Portis. What is that face? Look at that face. That face is the best. But I've never actually seen him play. It says he was taken the underdog and made it his own. Anyways, he's neat. What is this? It's pink. It's definitely pink. My dad's opening it. If I get a jaw, looking at the face. Dwayne Wade USA card. Let's go! I love Dwayne Wade. No way! Let's go. He's so good. Who's this? Wilsey Colsey Scene.
Willie Cauley Stein.
Whatever he said. I've never seen him play. I don't think he's good. And then Jay Crowder.
Jay Crowder.
Crowder. Whatever! He's number 99, plays in the Grizzlies with John Morant. I was hoping for John Morant, but it works. But anyways, whoa. Okay, I got a binder to put all the cards in so they can be safe and secure. First, I'm going to put the Dwayne Wade in. This is meant to protect the cards and help them not get an ouchie. And
Put that in there.
I think you put it in like that. He's in. Dwayne Wade. Karl Anthony Towns next. This is fun. I like opening packs. I'll put Jay Crowder in. No, Ben Simmons. I saw the face and I recognized it was Dwayne Wade. I was like, no way, no way. I was like, these are not old time, so I didn't think it was. I opened it and it was Dwayne Wade. So that's pretty neat.
It's a cool looking card.
How do I get this in? Oh. That's how. It's going in. There we go. I'm gonna put the Aaron Fox in next. I gotta show Uncle Brett in this. I gotta show Gavin this. I gotta show everyone this. Let's put in Willie Cauley Stein. Let's put Kemba Walker in. I like Kemba. Pascal. And then Russ. Where's Russ? There's Russ. Put Russ in there. Boom. And that flip page. choose the next one? Okay. Nicholas Claxton. Yay! No! Yay! I got it in! Oh no, what's that fell out? Okay, let's put in Jeremy Grant. Here we go. What was that noise? Wait, no, seriously, what was that noise? No! I put in Bruno Fernando on the wrong page. Fernando! Him in next. Put him in next. Put him in next. And that's all. Okay, this is looking really good. Wow. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please just like the video. This was really, really fun. But we just need you guys to subscribe and like. But anyways, goodbye guys.